let's go, I guess. I hope you see the stream on Discord.
Yes.
Link in the description. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights.
And go.
And away we go into the pits. And with the race. And Luigi leads in front of Kaideko and Sainz. Jendrik fighting with Joel Holzfäller for P4. These cameras are so shit. Luigi still leads. Holzfäller Jendrik getting past Pinky. Kubica in P7. Maxim fighting up to P8 with Kaf. And I think
Skoda
Pinky
gained
will
the
go on
position.
Kubica.
Skoda gained the position of the start. Warwick is last. Or fighting.
Lofi now P10. Kaf maybe on Kubica. Maxcon also fighting. Oh, a lot of fighting here. Let's look. Günther on a weird line. Kayesmi next to him.
Hey, we see someone spinning someone.
I think no. No. Ludi still leads from 2 Alfa Andretti cars. Holzfäller P4, then Jendrik, Pinky, Kubica, Kaf. These are the points positions. There's Philip swapping positions with Günther.
Maxim is dropping from
Oh,
Scarf.
contact.
Ooh, touch. Maxim sits very slow. He might break the gap already. So he might
Philip.
very.
Oh, that's a crash for Enesco. Oh, he was
What has
spinning in
happened?
the
We need
middle
to
on the
know.
road. What happened there? Oh, some more contact for RQ and Sumatra. What happened to Enesco? He's on the inside of Maxcon and he turns into him and almost spins out. Oh, nice passing by both Charus.
Nearly crashing default.
And Jendrik is very wide.
Oh yeah, he locked up maybe.
Toda is P11. Will Hupov go back at him? Hupov goes back at him. So fight for P. No, he goes P9. Skoda with a weird exit. Behind them
Very
is
bad
Prince
exit.
Philip. Kaideko is closing on Luigi. Maybe he will
Jendrik-
make the move on the straight.
Yeah, we might see it with the with Alice slipstream.
See, he's very, very close. Will he go for it?
Indeed.
Some fighting behind between Jendrik and
Oh,
Holzfäller.
Jendrik goes for P4.
Switch
Gets the job
Kaideko.
done.
Stanza.
Gets the job done.
Kaideko is too
Yes.
far away, I think. Oh, he goes for it.
He's
He goes for
closing.
it. He's on the
Goes.
inside.
Into
It's
first
And
place.
Kaideko goes into P1.
good.
Also
What a
Kubica
move.
attacking Holzfäller into P5.
Oh, he made a double move to the braking zone. Good job from Kubica. Pinky dropped down to P8.
Let's see the progress.
Already.
It's 5 down from Max. I think that's Maxim or Max.
Yeah,
No, that's
Maxcon is
Maxim.
MX.
Yeah, Mexican is MXC. Calf P6 meanwhile.
Holzfäller dropped
Very
to
bad,
three.
very bad driving from Holzfäller, who is dropping out of the points. Maybe we'll see triple Alfa Andretti points.
Maybe.
Possible.
Oh, Holler is out. Fritz Holler is
Oh,
spun.
what has
What
happened? We need to
happened?
know. Is he continuing? No, he
I
is
think
out.
he's out of the race. And he. Ooh!
He got. Did he
Oh.
has been tagged or?
No, he did Wait, this is going for the fucking thumbnail.
Yeah.
Wait, I need to find a
Own
good.
mistake.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
there's
he
no good
went over to
camera.
the line and the Mundal car had nowhere to go to avoid the collision.
Wait, I need to find a good.
GG Fritz.
Okay, photo mode. Yeet. I don't think that's a good thumbnail though. Lol. Anyways, let's resume. Haller seems to be out of the race.
Matra P16.
Matra is
Due to that.
P16. Meanwhile, yeah, Fritz Haller
Haller
is
is out.
retired. Max Cole on the
First DNF
inside.
of the season.
Oh yeah. Wait, really?
Yes, we had no DNFs in Hungary.
Lofi and Pinky swapping for P8. That's
Eight.
Holzfäller in the way.
Yeah,
Very
and
close
Lofi
between
gets
them,
it
and that's
done.
a big train behind. with Hupov and Skoda, and Hupov going P9. Maybe even P8 now. Oh yeah, he's P8.
No, Holzfäller, no. Joe, what a just
Pinky with
Mastodon.
a weird wide line allows Kayezmi through.
Yeah. Skoda P10.
Skoda will go on Holzfäller, I think. Oh yeah, he does. He goes for him. And he's P9.
Holzfäller being
Same for Kayezmi going into P10,
Holzfäller being C4 in the test.
basically.
Yeah. Alfa Andretti 137. Oof. In a sprint race.
Nice result. Oh, Sainz might be P2.
Oh yeah.
Deco basically won.
Yeah. After 3 laps.
Oh, Sainz maybe going for it. Not into the
That
last
would be
third.
bad.
Kubica is P4. Oh, he's so
Deco.
close, I didn't notice that.
Yeah. That's a group of 5 cars held by Luigi.
Kubica on the run.
Yeah. Kubica for podium maybe.
Kubica into P3. Nice
Gets the podium
move.
from White
Maybe even
Sainz.
those for
Or
P2.
Luigi seems very slow out of the exit of this corner. Maybe around the outside. Can he pull the move? Yes, he can.
P2.
Yes, he can. What a move from Kubica. Into the podium positions.
Into P2,
P2.
even. Like last sprint
Yep.
race one.
Be right back.
Okay, food. Sainz on Luigi. Kaff meanwhile
Luigi
getting
in the
past
back
the
foot.
Henrik.
Back foot.
And Sainz. Sainz slipstreaming down the
Yeah, he's
straight. He
going
goes
for
for
it,
it. He goes
definitely.
into the inside. He goes into
Definitely,
P3.
yeah.
And White Sainz takes P3 from Luigi. Kayezmi on Skoda into P9. And Enesco goes P11. Please don't make these weird sounds. Kaff very close to Luigi for P4. He will, I think, drop out of the points just like Holzfäller did. Meanwhile, internal fighting in Charuz. And Kaff is still very close. And he will go for a move into the last corner. No. He
The highest
doesn't.
low
Maybe
now.
on the straight. What?
Everyone is muted.
I know. Not a surprise. Enesco P10. Kayezmi is very fast. At least in the last lap. Pinky goes P14. Any more moves here? Maybe Mundal, Günther, whatever? No. Doesn't seem like it. Kubica running away in P2. Splitting to Alfa Andretti's. Lofi is close also to Jendrik and Kaff. Maybe he will make a move into P5. Not from that far back though. Kaff seems to be too far away from Luigi to make a move. Oh, that's a big train behind. Of 7 cars. Whoa. All fighting for P4.
Hello.
Hello. Mundal goes P18. That's a fight on the straight.
Holzfäller P15. Oh no. Sumatra P13. What did I miss?
Basically nothing.
Oh.
Kubica running away in P2.
Yeah, I can see.
Günther
Oh, it's
Mundal
one
fight.
run free again for UJ team.
Ooh,
Still
off the
still
track for Günther.
Still fight for P4 between
Yes.
the 4 cars.
Oh, very close between Mundal
Also,
and
I
Günther
think
again.
Hupov, Kayezmi and Enesco are closing in for the fight
Yes,
for P4.
they are. That's a big
That's a shame.
fight. And
Big,
now
big chain.
Enesco and Kaizmi. Ah, not quite, not quite. Kaf seems to be dropping off from Luigi now. Yes, he is. Maybe Luigi will prevail in P4. We will see.
Maybe. Would be good points for Wolf Porsche. And Kaismi is close to getting points too with P9.
Yeah, and Enesco. Maybe triple points for Bro. Oh,
Maybe.
Enesco is so close.
But then you
Very,
need
very
an
close.
Esco to overtake. When you Tupov to overtake at least one car.
Yes. Well, that's possible.
Yeah, it's possible.
Also, Skoda pulling a small train of 3 cars. As we see Lofi going.
Yeah. Maxim is really, really slow. P17, having a 10
Yes.
second gap of 16th.
No moves are done. Maybe an
Yeah.
Esco. No, he's so close to Kazmi, he cannot get him. Also nice train by Maxim. Oh man, that's a lot of cars.
Oh, I forgot the knife.
Wow, nice job. RQ in last. All going for Warwick. And RQ is P22. Wow, amazing feat. Lofi is very close to Jendrik meanwhile. We're going into lap 7 now. Oh, Sainz is closing up on Kubica. Really quickly.
So, we're
Lofi with a bad
halfway
line.
through already. More than
More
halfway
than
through.
half.
Yeah. Luigi P4 still. Kaf P5.
In progress. Hupov Kazmi and Nesco making
Nesco.
a very good launch.
Sumatra
From
7.
P18 to P10.
Pinky
Sumatra
Holzer and
7.
Maxim dropped the locked. Yeah.
Kubica up
Kubica
5.
P5 also. Yeah. Time to eat the meat.
Have fun. Oh, Hupov on the outside of Lofi.
Oh yeah.
And
He
Hupov, will
tried.
he go? Will he go? Yes, he
Yes.
goes. P7.
P7 for Hupov.
Now we wait for Enesco to go into the points. Though, maybe Lofi will go back at him.
True.
Sainz is close.
Will you
Sainz
have
is very close.
also some Röber tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Lofi takes back
Lofi's
P7.
counter attack. Takes P7. In his Alfa Andretti Romeo.
Yes.
Cursed car.
Fast car it seems. 1-3-7.
Fast but cursed, yeah.
Leading constructors easily.
Yeah, they already lead. So.
Maybe the IndyCar front was a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, fight here between Mundal and Maxim. Maybe Mundal will break free from this big train. And I think he will. Lofi on Jendrik very close again. Or maybe Hupov will take back P7.
Hey,
Ah,
Lucas.
fuck, I forgot to remove GPU occupancy warnings. Whatever. Lofi not quite close for P7, P6. Maybe Hupov on P7 though. Everyone with pretty much equal pace in this train. Oh, Sainz is some time off again. On Kubica. Lap 8, 3 laps to go. Hupov again on Lofi maybe. Hupov goes into P7 again in the same spot.
And Jenrik is close, so he might, if he gets a good exit, he might attack Jenrik.
Yeah, Lofi with a
very
bad
unlikely.
exit, a very bad exit. Kaezmi is at the back of him. Maybe Lofi will drop
Lofi-
out of the points, and maybe Hupov will go into P6.
Maybe.
Breaks a bit later, but he
Not
doesn't
too
go
far
for it.
away.
Let's watch Kaezmi going into P8 for that 1 point.
Yeah, it's top 8. In sprint race 1. So 1 point for you. At the moment. Lofi's still close though. Enesco and
Oh
Skoda
yeah,
also.
Lofi is very close. Maybe he's white. Maybe Enesco will capitalize. A bit of a slide again. Not quite.
Lofi
Not
tries
quite.
to counter. But Jendrik, Kayasmi is too far away.
Fight here.
Heidecker doing
Another
152.
car breaking off from the train.
Yeah, wait, where did Maxim start? Like 8th or something?
9,
Like
8.
he's almost last.
Well, nice
Oof.
job. Hupov again very close. Kayezmi is also very close. Hupov in for Jendrik into the last corner. They almost touch. Hupov goes P6. Jendrik with a nice slipstream attempt though. Maybe he'll go back at him into turn 1. Jendrik.
He might.
No, he doesn't. Kayezmi is very close.
With some weaving.
Look, Kaideko is at the end of the straight and Kubica and Sainz are on the beginning. Oh, hello Lofi. Maybe Lofi. Maybe. Oh, Skoda!
Skoda.
Where did he come from?
I don't know.
Lofi on
Somewhere.
Kayezmi into P8.
Lofi. Again,
Enesco
some
on
nice cars
Skoda.
fighting.
Enesco on Kayezmi, maybe.
No, I think the exit is not good enough. Skoda slots in behind.
Skoda somehow
that's
made
a
up
safe
some
deal.
time.
Also, Heideker's close to start the last lap
Yes.
of the sprint.
And Skoda on Enesco. Wait, Enesco on Kayezmi. Almost runs into Skoda behind. Enesco goes P9.
Lofi's P8. No, Enesco's P9.
He was P9.
Sorry, I thought Lofi overtook.
No.
Jendrik seems dropping from.
Yeah, he's dropping.
Hupov,
Hupov is basically P6 now. Will we see any move from Lofi on the last lap or maybe even now?
Don't think so.
Maybe, he's very close. Maybe into the last corner. We don't know. Kaideko entering the last lap now.
Yeah, with 153. I think Kubica's a bit faster, but not fast enough to catch.
Maybe he
like
is.
1 second or wait. 149.
Yeah, he's
that's
way
4 seconds.
faster, but that's a big gap.
Yeah, he needed 2 more laps.
Hupov on calf maybe. Ooh.
Or P5.
Ooh, Hupov is very fast. See calf going. Lofi P7. Lofi P7.
Also Enesco's close.
Enesco is close too, yeah. Hupov is close. Bronze making attacks on the last lap. Lofi is P7 now. Maybe Jendrik will drop out of the points for Charuz. Enesco is so close. It's the last lap. Watch out for Kayezmi behind. Watch out for Skoda. Skoda going P10 now. And watch out Kayezmi on Enesco. Not enough. Enesco on the outside of Jendrik. He tried it. He seems he really wants that 1 point. Hupov is close. Hupov on calf. No.
Calf defense.
Doesn't work.
And so Enesco and Jendrik are very close. Enesco goes P8.
He goes for it.
Goes P8 on the last lap. Now he just has to hold it.
No.
It could happen. Jendrik out of the points. Charuz out of the points.
Triple points for Alfandretti and Braun.
Nice. Well, not big points, but
For
points.
2 teams?
Kaideko's about to cross the line to win the
Kaideko wins
sprint
the sprint
in
race.
Poland and to continue his win streak. Yes, he won the first race. As he won the feature race last time out.
Yeah, that's 2 wins in a row.
Yes. Kubica about to finish.
Hupov is very close.
Finish
Kubica
P2
finishes P2,
again
Sainz
in
finishes
the first
P3.
sprint. That's the second consecutive P2 finish for
Luigi
Kubica
in
in the
P4
first
hold
sprint.
off. Hupov is very close for P5, but Kaf takes P5. Hupov is P6. Lofi P7 and Enesco P8 for triple points, both for Alfandretti and for Braun. Jendrik in P9, then Kayezmi, Skoda, Philip, Sumatra, Pinky, Holzfäller, Maxcon, Mundal, Amisalam, Günther, Maxim. Dave is very slow, holding off RQ and Warwick.
Interesting race we got.
Yes.
Not gonna
Dave P21, then RQ, and Warwick.